This is our Instagram and this is our Telegram. Now you can follow me on Instagram and you can join our Telegram channel. Both the links are given in the description and also in the pinned comment. Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from IBM. IBM is hiring 2023-22 and 2021 passed batch candidates for Associate Systems Engineer role. For this, eligibility criteria is 60% mark, salary will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. So in this video I'll discuss what are the qualifications, what are the eligible branches, what is the job location, what is the selection process, what are the required skills, how to apply, everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Once you click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this website jobupdates4u.com. Here you can read all the details regarding the job and you can read about the company. So let's scroll, let's read one by one. So qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc or MCA degree. So if you have done any one of these degree, then you are eligible. After that, eligible branches are CSE, IT, Robotics, ISE, EE, ECE, EIE, AEIE, EEE, ETE, Maths and Computing. So if you have done these qualifications from any one of the branches, then you are eligible. After that, eligibility criteria is 60% marks or 6 CGPA, salary will be 4.5 LP, only freshers can apply. Test location, interview location, both will be virtual. Job location will be either in Mumbai, Pune, New Delhi, Hyderabad or Chennai. Last date to apply they did not mention, so please apply as soon as possible before they close the application. So now let's discuss about the required skills. So required skills are programming. So programming skill, that is they will give preference to Java, Python or Node.js. After that, software development life cycles concept, good problem solving ability, good communication skills. And if we discuss about the selection process, so there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be coding test, that will be IBM CodeKnack. Right, after the round 2 will be English language test, round 3 will be interviews. Right, once you qualify all the 3 rounds, then you are done, then you will receive the offer letter. After that, if you have any education gap, don't worry, you are eligible and there should not be any active backlogs, right? And you don't have to sign any bond. So simple, you need to click here to apply for this job, right? Just wait, let's click here. I think something went wrong to their site. Let's try to open this link in incognito. Yeah, we can see, right? So what you have to do, simple, you need to open that apply link in this incognito mode if you are getting that, right? So you can find it. So yeah, now you can see everything here. You can see all in all details. You can click here, required is required only, or you can cut this, right? So everything you can see, simple how to apply. You need to click here apply now. Just wait. After that, wait. So here you can need to click here, no thanks, continue to apply. Just wait. Now here you can see all the details and this is the job ID. Please note this job ID for future reference. This is very important, right? After that, just scroll, you need to click here apply to job. Here you need to log in, right? If you don't have any account, don't worry, you need to click here. Don't have an account yet, then you need to create one account, right? Just scroll, just wait, you need to click here agree, right? After that, you need to fill your email ID, password, re-enter password, then security question and answer. Then you need to click here continue. Once you click on the continue, then you will be able to create one account. After creating an account, you need to log in or sign in. After that, you need to fill the form, then you need to submit the form. So if they shortlist your profile or your resume and those things, then they will send you the online exam link, right? Yeah, so please apply for this. This is really huge opportunity for all of you, right? After that, one request. Yeah, this is our another channel, job updates for you, right here. So here if you want the latest daily job updates but in Hindi, then you can subscribe this channel, jobupdates4u.com, right? This one is the channel. And yeah, this is our official channel, Code with Anurag. You can please show your support to this channel daily. Here you will get the daily latest job opportunities with placement assistance, right? Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.